Hello, two-bedroom apartment, now available at Galaxy Building. Isle of Dogs, E14, Canary Wharf, price £3,850 per calendar month. 1 month minimum, flexible terms, no hidden fees, and all bills included. Features 2 double beds, modern bath, private balcony, lift, secure parking, fully furnished, fast Wi-Fi, smart TV, kitchen kit, and perfectly placed. Walk to South Quay. DLR is 8 minutes. Canary Wharf, 15 minutes. Water views, urban vibes, shops, and cafes. And the spectacular Thames walks nearby. Ideal for professionals, corporate stays, remote workers, or couples. Stylish, secure, and super connected. And this won't last long. Contact us now for bookings. Call 0771 0632 322. marlexapartments@gmail.com. Marlex Apartment, your London dream.
Canvas painted with sleek finesse, reflections of style.